Alright, welcome to Unboxing ETM. Now, I've been playing around on Kick and their software editing capabilities. I find Kick more behind the scenes, that it's live streaming 24/7, mostly based on, I feel like Kick is more for IRL and YouTube is more polished, where you're able to delete things, edit it, and manipulate it as you want it. Like most of these liberal politicians or anyone who feels like, oh, this is what it is, but it's not polished, like it's not real life, there's so much editing. So if you want the behind the scenes of what I just done for this, it's on Kick. There was a lot of chaos on Kick. Right, now this is just a studio. Yesterday I made an IRL and this had perfect thing, but I could not download the actual live content and put it on YouTube because it literally doesn't allow you to download it. So the quality didn't sound excellent on the Apples. Now, because I was outside, so I always carry professional microphones, as you see, a lapel mic attached to my collar. So let's go to unboxing ATM. This is a bag or duffel bag for the brand ETM that is called Exploring the Map, but the abbreviation behind the bag or the name is ETM. So I feel like most brands don't give you multiple use of their own product. You cannot use it as a pillowcase or more storage when you need it. You don't like that. It's actually a plastic bag or some other sort of material that you just throw away. So I've been using this for probably 2 to 3 years now, traveling. So when I want to take my pillow, what I bought about 4 years ago, a Tempur-Pedic pillow, about 2 to 3 years, coming up to 4. So I've literally just used this pillowcase for the brand or for anything I use. It's made out of silk, very smooth. Most females will understand what silk is. Very durable. Right? It's not gonna snap or anything, and I literally don't, like, you could see, it ain't going nowhere. Don't go take a knife or scissor to it. Don't go be a stupid moron. Alright. So this bag, it's literally made for everyone and everything that you want to be doing with the bag. I use this bag a lot for money, especially cash with Bitcoin XRP. Now, the monogram to this bag is 4 meters in width and 4 to 5 meters in length. Length, or as you say, girth, she understands it. In girth, 4 meters, lengthwise, 4 to 5 centimeters. Wet clothes, shoes can go in there. You can put your bag on another suitcase. I don't want to be in too much products to the company. All right. So I don't want to bring too much products to the company because there's so many out there. But I'm going for the yacht. I'm gonna just continue with the actual bag and versus explaining the whole company. So you can just put your bag on another suitcase. It will go through there, right? Or your arm. Just carry it like this. And then on this side, I've been literally product testing it, as you see. But you'll get one that's brand new. There's some paper. For your phones, I use this a lot when I'm going through the airports, private train or first class trains, chauffeurs normally. And I'll just put the phone in there, passport, and then I currently have a pillow in there just to keep the structure of the bag, but mostly cash. I figured out, I think the most I've had in this bag was about 20,000. And what I think I can do is probably put about $50,000 in here. $50,000 to $60,000. Two zippers. And I feel like what I will be doing, and as well as the buckles for the length of your bag. My big ass fingers. Alright. Pretty good silver. Oh, sorry. Now, I feel like this is silver that's spray painted. Maybe it's just my glasses I've got on. Okay, yeah. So this is very high, good quality silver, right? It might look like gold, but look, I'm not putting any. The manufacturers did a very good job of this. As you see, that has wear and tear, but it's very good platinum. It's not silver, that's what it is. Very good platinum on you. So both buckles on each side. When you're adjusting the bags to your height or body structure, is very good. Let me just put this on. So I will be including this into like the bag. There are certain other products like this one that I'll do a review for the females or the males when I'm traveling pretty light. Like as you see, it still has this. I've been product testing everything for the company. So I didn't put in board. I should put my logo on this, like this. But then I've also been watching a lot of things over